So the day of the visit has now arrived. The engineer is on site. The first thing he'll need to do is mark himself as on site. Now he can do that through the link that was emailed to him, or you could do it yourself from the platform. Click on update request and then on site. You confirm the date and time of arrival and then confirm. Now once that's been done, the visit has been completed, all the work has been done, everybody's happy, hopefully. What you then do is you need to add the visit report. Now, again, the engineer should be able to do this through the link that was emailed to them or directly on platform, update request, add visit. Now, this is one of the longer processes on the Systeral platform, but it's very important that it is. This is what captures all the necessary information so that any questions later can be answered. If there's any queries around billing or invoicing or whatever, a good visit report will solve all of those. So the first screen is basically a confirmation screen. You confirm the site, the engineer, skill levels, how many engineers arrived, that kind of thing. Move on. The next, travel details and times. What was the date of the visit? What time did they arrive? Now that should be captured when he marks on site. Time of departure. You can simply say that they finished up whatever time, say 12 o'clock, or you could simply say he was there for 3 hours. Distance travel, that is an optional. If any travel payments are authorized, that's how they'll determine those. And then you'd enter the travel times. Call report. As it says, this is where you list all the actions taken, every single step you made. Now, there might be some clients or customers that want a specific type of breakdown, be it hourly, half hourly, 15 minutes, whatever it is. There is where you put all the relevant information to ensure that any questions are answered. We're going to go a little bit basic today, though. And was the work completed? Yes, no. Now, if you say no, you need to say, are we going to finish this here? Or does this going to need another visit? For ease, we'll simply say that the work was completed. And that's that. Now, this is for part movements. Now, this is part of the management process. We'll go into parts movements in a different video, but this is just the screen. So if any parts were taken to site from stores or being taken back, this is where you would list those. Documentation, any photos that are needed, any kind of sign-offs that have been photographed, anything like that, that's where you can add them there. And finally, submit visit details. Now, once that's through, that's all the relevant details. There is a page later which allows for the manager on site, the contact on site, to rate the visit. That will then go back and it's part of the review process for all the service providers. But that is essentially the process for adding the visit report. And at this point, the call is now moved into the invoicing and billing stage.